Hello guys, maggigisa na tayo. Hirap. Hirap talaga maging vlogger, no? Vlog pa more. Anyway guys, ako lang talaga kumukuha sa sarili ko. Walang tumutulong sa akin kung paano ako anong gagawin ko, ganyan. Ako lang talaga guys. Kaya trying hard vlogger. Okay. Namula na yung bawang, isunod na natin yung sibuyas. Ayan guys. Ang bango talaga ng bawang guys. Grabe. So smell good. Sunod na natin yung ano guys, pork. Ayan, pork guys. Oh. Yeah, okay. Oh, ha? La 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 la. Okay, ayan. Kailangan papulahin natin ng konti yung pork guys para malasang malasa yung ating mommy. Ayan. Ayan guys, mapula na yung pork. Ngayon atin nang isasalin siya sa kaldero. Guys, hi guys, ilalagay na natin yung noodles. Ayan guys. Really, this is really good, mommy at mommy. Ang lalaki ng noodles guys. So look at that. Marami na yata. Umaapaw na yata. Lalagyan pa natin ng gulay yan. Oh wow guys, look at that.
Okay. Pero meron ding organisasyon na Philippine Chow Tai Organization.
Ayun guys.
Yung Philippine Chow Tai Organization po, ang ibig sabihin po ng Madam Chair, lahat po ng galing po dun sa barangay ngayon ay nagkaroon po sila na
Titikman natin ang lasa.
Na parang sa pangsama-sama po nila, association po nila dito sa atin po.
So, merong ganitong klaseng association sa Pilipinas, Philippine Chow Tai Organization.
Madam Chair, yung Chow Tai.
Ayan guys, umaapaw yung aking kaldero guys. Kumulo guys. Lalagyan ko na ng gulay. Fresh gulay. Yan.
As a spy, what was Wating's assignment?
Patayin na natin yung ano guys, apoy. Tama na. Para hindi ma-overcook yung gulay natin. Kailangan maging crunchy pa siya. Ayan. Oh, galing. Yummy. Oh, guys, oh. Okay, dagdagan natin ng gulay, guys. Masarap yung maraming gulay sa mami. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, guys. Umami na tayo.
Can you try to explain to us how the casino, online gambling, maybe scamming, businesses,
Tikman na natin yung mami.
spying or espionage operations?
这些当然没有关联的，这和中国政府旺盛的情报需求有很大的关系。还有一个是这些
Love it.
一带一路
Okay, guys.
是绝对有关联。
Kakain na tayo.
一带一路
Kakain na tayo, guys. So, guys, thank you so much for watching my cooking. Yes!
Why do you think that Shi is telling the truth?
我是当然相信的。如果你们看了这些文件，你们也会相信。
To your knowledge, are there other Chinese spies here?
Ayan na, guys, ang aking mami. Yes.
Or let's say, is he connected to the government? Is he the hunter of World War King? So, all things that you can say about him.
还有他是泰国华人协会的副会长。
Look at that, guys.
被非法诱捕之前，是亚太排名第3的道场。他很有可能是郭华平的上线。佘志良先生和郭华平之间的联系就是通过马龙利。我也只能回答这些问题了，谢谢。
To your knowledge, was World War King planted here as a spy, like when she was a child? Or did she first become very successful and became a mayor